तो बोल Extraction.
Extraction, he's playing the Indian gangster, I'm playing the Bangladeshi gangster.
हाँ.
My gang is the one who kidnaps his kid.
हाँ.
But we never meet on set. We never, मतलब वो तो मैं.
You're the Fauji. And you got the Bangladeshi role.
Yeah.
On principle, I'm a little upset with this. I would like to speak to this. What is the name of the American guys? No?
Russo brothers.
Russo brothers.
Avengers
world
guys.
Famous, world famous.
Yeah. They are the ones, and I was surprised because when they told me that you're doing this film.
But just look at it. वो लोग सब neutral है. They're looking at faces and they've seen your performances. They don't know ethnicity. They don't know background. Nothing. So they've gone. So you have to give it to them. They've gone.
Yeah. But by the way, do you know how I got casted for this? Because of my name Priyanshu.
Which is Bengali sounding.
Correct. So Tess Joseph, our casting director, she thought I'm Bengali. So she calls me and she had auditioned me पहले भी काफी बार. She's like, Priyanshu, you're Bengali? I said, नहीं. She's like, oh, अच्छा चल ठीक है, bye. And she kept the phone. My manager said कि you can do languages ना, pick up तो कर सकता है. Can you impress her accent or whatever? I was watching Tumba at that time, and Ranjini Chakrabarti, another actor, FK friend of mine, she was with me and we were all watching. वो भी Tumbad में है. इंटरवल के बाद मैंने टेस को मैसेज किया कि आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू ट्राई, आई एम जस्ट सेंडिंग यू सम वॉइस नोट्स. तो मैंने व्हाट्सएप में से उसको वॉइस नोट्स भेजे टेस को, और रंजनी वहीं पे थी. शी जस्ट टॉट मी सम थिंग्स एंड हमने उसको लिखा. एंड बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. सेनोरिटा, डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं. हमने बंगाली में उसको
You did Don dialogue with a Bengali accent.
Everything.
भड़े देखो मैं.
I can't do it right now.
हम ट्राई करते हैं. डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं.
हमें
ना
मुमकिन होले.
I apologize to our Bengali friends.
We are just trying. Yeah, but it worked. It worked because thanks to Ranjini also.
It's so funny you're taking iconic lines from Hindi films.
Yeah. And we translated them in Bengali, did it. I sent us voice notes to Tess Joseph and Tess is like, ये तेरी आवाज़ है. मैंने बोला मेरी ही है. I have sent it. She's like, okay, I'm sending you 2 scenes. One is a long scene, तो वो English में चलेगा. One you'll have to do it in Bengali.
But whatever language you do the Bengali accent, no? Because he's a Bengali, I mean Bangla accent.
Then they got, once I did those 2 scenes for audition, then apparently the director was also a little hesitant कि लेना है इसको नहीं लेना, बहुत young लग रहा है. They wanted a 50-60-year-old man to play that part.
Bro, you're nowhere close to 50, and that took 5 years ago.
No, yeah, and they then changed it to let's get a younger guy to play it because 50-60 somehow wasn't working for them. They said let's try a 30-year-old. I was the first few, and I remember Abhishek Banerjee also calling me and saying कि साला मैं तो Bengali हूँ, मेरे को नहीं लिया, तेरे को ले लिया. And then
that is a big issue in Hollywood actually, no?
Yeah.
When you have the guy, say the guy is a homosexual, the character is homosexual, and they take the heterosexual guy to play homosexual. Or literally like a black guy and you get the white guy to play him, and you know, I mean, there's... But acting is acting, right?
Acting,
I think, you can't just say ethnicity बस हो गया.
हाँ, मुझे लगता है वो तो फिर then that
so
is
Mr. Banerjee, what we are trying to say is, sir का जो level है भाई. Just kidding.
वो हथौड़ा लेके आ जाएगा.
नहीं. He's not a gangster. He's an actor.
Yeah.
It's the role. Because Chris Helmsworth is in it and all that, so I just want to know. So what
was amazing. When they told me, so they never reveal by the time you get the locked in the film that this is the whole film.
They don't say the cast.
I mean, I was told it's a big international film. That's it, and you're auditioning for that. Once you're in it, then they say कि Russo brothers, Chris Hemsworth, and I was like, वही ना मतलब जिन्होंने Avengers बनाई थी. Because I'd just seen the Avengers Endgame and I'm a big Marvel fan.
You thought कि boss, it was a super success. Why is he working with us? क्या हो गया? Gambling debts. Chris Hemsworth, drunkard, gambling debts.
And then when they say Chris hai, I said Chris matlab the Thor guy, right? They're like yeah, that's the one. And I met him also in the barber bol raha hu. The hair van. So
hair and makeup,
Hair and makeup have separate vans there, and all, at least in their
hair
production.
And makeup have separate vans there, and we have to push our hair and makeup people into our van.
So, but I love that discipline that every actor
you go there.
You have to go there.
Yeah.
And even Chris has to come.
You respect their space. You go there and do it. Yeah.
And there's a time allotted ki 7 a.m. I have to enter 7 a.m. If you go early, they'll be like, no, come outside, have a smoke or have a coffee. Coffee. And
smoke is just a phrase. Yeah. It's not really. You don't do this.
Yeah. That thing. It's just
you don't do all that.
You don't do all that. So I think it's their phrases. They Hollywood
and
guys
Western world is different.
Western world.
Parampara and Sanskriti alag hai. Right. Don't compare countries.
So they would only allow you 7. Matlab 7 enter. I have gone inside. I'm doing my hair, and that's the first time I saw Chris coming and sitting next to me. वो मतलब दाढ़ी बनाने आ रहा है. That is the time I'm seeing him. I'm like, अरे Thor.
What was he like?
He's a tall, big guy. Yeah.
But you said Thor
Yeah.
on his face,
I mean, we are seeing each other on the reflection. I'm like, hey, Thor.
and he said Robin.
He was like, ये भी ठीक है.
ये भी ठीक है.
No, he's just like, hey, hi, I'm a big guy. Of course, that Australian might happening.
Yeah.
And I'm like, hi, I'm playing Amir Asif. He's like, hey, I know, it'll be great. Good luck. But then he was playing some song, some rock song, some Australian band. So we just jammed over the music for a while. We spoke. And I realized, I said, oh, I'm so looking forward to shooting with you. I went out. And then he's also looking at me. Then we realized we don't even have one scene together.
No scene together.
No scene. I'm telling
But you're
the
the villain,
director.
na?
तो मैं डायरेक्टर को बार बार बोल रहा था सर कि मेरे को एक सीन ऐसा मतलब एंड में मेरे को आगे गोली तो मारने दो.
See, Hollywood doesn't understand filmmaking, yaar. In which Bollywood film where the villains will not fight with the hero?
I know,
there's no point to the story.
But you know, one more very good thing happened there. When they told me कि no, Nick is coming to shoot you in the end. Nick comes. I said,
Nick कौन है? Sorry.
हाँ, तो in the film, then I was like, cast में I know this guy is playing gay, I'm playing Amir Asif, but I said Nick कौन है? Same. तो इसलिए Golshifteh फरहान है. You know Golshifteh? Oh, sir, बहुत. She's like French Iranian actress, beautiful.
Bro, you're looking at an unpad South Bombay boy who only watches cricket, yaar. You're giving some French exotic.
She was in Pirates of the Caribbean. She was in Babel. She was in many films.
I follow Caribbean cricket. I mean, does it help? Yeah, she has given me a picture. She has full picture I need. I can't just look at faces. For memory to happen, I have to see everything. Aage, piche, left, right. I'm a complete man.
Oh. So full photo.
Shreya's embarrassed. She's like, his uncle again saying things that should not be said on. And will I be responsible for this joker?
Like, आगे बढ़ो.
No.
So then when
she killed. Oh, sorry.
She is.
People can still see it, but
no, it's already out.
So that interaction is with her. Let's say
the climax. Then when they said कि Nick
climax.
comes.
Beta, तमीज़ से बात करो. I explained parampara is different. Sanskriti is different.
The film ending and my ending.
We're not getting out of this.
So then they said Nick is doing it and Golshifteh is the one. I said, oh wow. Then I was like, fine.